What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions, and today's a pretty big day. Wanted to show you first my profits that I've made so far on the day. Again, I'm using the TD Ameritrade Think or Swim platform, as you guys can see right here. At a really big focus due to how the market was trading during pre-market hours. I woke up at 3:30 a.m. and you guys can see with /NG, it's been selling off ever since it opened on Sunday. So today's Monday. You can see all during pre-market hours that it was trading between the middle and bottom VWAP. It almost changed directions as soon as the market opened, and that was all caught live within the Learn Plan Profit live stream. But because this was aggressively selling off, to keep it super simple, when natural gas sells off, degas pushes up. And degas on the day is up about 7%. On degas alone, I made $6,257. So a very nice recovery from my bad week last week when it came down to trading, to say the least. On UGAS, I didn't do as well, but I still ended up $562 profit in the green, putting me at a total of $6,819 profit on the day. All my positions are closed right now. It's 11 a.m. so I'm actually late to my meeting or my appointment, but I'm going to my bank right now and I'm buying another house. So I'm buying my 7th house. I made a video about it on Saturday. I'm gonna be funding a $280,000 loan, a hard money loan for Lenny, who's a real estate flipper here in the Arizona area. He's one of the top real estate agents in Arizona. I've worked with him before. I funded one of his projects in that Glendale, Phoenix area for $195,000. I'm learning how to flip homes. But the really cool thing about this is that I'm not only learning from the best, but on top of that, I'm actually making money because I fund his projects. It takes me along the entire journey. So it's gonna be a pretty eventful day. I had an amazing, just amazing time trading with the Learn Plan Profit team. Now it's time to stop trading and focus on some of the work that we have to do on the back end. So let's go ahead and get a chase and buy a house. How are we doing today, boys?
Dude, you haven't paid us in 8 months, dude.
I'm sure. What's going on, Big Schmike?
What's good, brother?
What's up, what's up? What's going on, Loish? Oh, and then we got Megamind up in the front. Ooh, we got Caleb Webb. They're actually working on their own project outside.
It's fixed, baby.
It's fixed?
All done. How Wes? How long did that take us?
They've been up pretty early.
Yeah. Everything. Probably like a good hour, 2 hours.
Do you guys have a buyer for it?
Yeah, we have a buyer ready to go, so we had to fix it. Now we're gonna go wash it up and everything.
How much do you guys buy it for?
Bought it for 28. Hopefully gonna sell it for 4,000.
I like it. So $1,200 profit.
Yep.
Yeah, we out here working. It was good.
You see my trading day?
Yeah, you're making a lot. Doing good.
I'm up 6.8K right now.
So lunch is on.
It's like 1%.
Huh? 600,000. All right, team. Here we go. I'm down to meet up with you guys if you guys want to grab a bite to eat.
Yeah, we got.
All right, let's do it. Alrighty. While the car's warming up, one of the things that, if you guys did not understand what we were talking about, if you guys don't know what a Honda CR-V is, it's actually the car right behind me. One of the really cool things that we do, just like with the car that I'm in right now, I bought this 2015 Lamborghini 610-4. I'm a huge car guy, but I don't like losing money, right? So I've been able to kind of turn my passion, not to profit all the time, but I just try to buy these cars very effectively and efficiently. So we try to focus on always getting the best deal possible, just like I did with this car. We're in Arizona, so we don't pay taxes on private party sales, and I'm able to enjoy this car. So I bought this about a month ago. I'm going to enjoy it for the summer, and then there's a huge, very niche down car market for a lot of foreign students here. So I'll most likely sell it to a foreign student that comes back during the fall semester, and I'll probably either break even or make anywhere from around $5,000 to $10,000 profit on top of what it is that I already paid for it. So again, that's exactly what they're doing at that Honda CR-V. They just do it in a much more high volume cars, and again, that's exactly why we're opening our own dealership here in the Arizona area, so we can assist other people that want to get started or maybe want to take on this hobby on the side. To learn more about how to buy cars effectively, to either minimize the amount of money that they lose to get the best deal possible, or to actually be able to turn it over for a profit. So a little heads up on that if you guys didn't understand what we were talking about, how they're making $1,200 selling that Honda CR-V after he had it for about like a month and a half of ownership. So this is the bad boy that they were working on. So I think you guys have seen like a lot of YouTubers that usually like work on or repair like, you know, kind of like more fancy cars like Lamborghinis and stuff like that. I feel like that's really popular. These guys just do it where it either doesn't need any repairs or it's like very little repairs. So I think they fixed the fan on that CR-V. And it took them about like an hour and a half of work, and then they're just gonna go wash it, and they have already a buyer for it since they posted it for sale. So pretty cool. What's going on, guys? I just pulled up to the bank, and if you guys can see, I just closed my last position, $7,000. So
all right, personal information. It is going to be a domestic wire that's coming out of your business account. The wire amount is $280,000. Fee is part of your account agreement, so it doesn't come out. $280,000. Good.
Good.
And your other house away.
Okay.
Right there. 15th.
7, right?
Mm-hmm.
I appreciate it.
Not a problem. That is your copy,
My copy.
and you are all set.
Alright, I really do appreciate it. Thank you again.
Nice to see you again, Randy. Have a good one, buddy.
Hey!
The squad in the CR-V.
Boy, we out here loaded.
Alright guys, we just finished up with lunch pretty much. Gonna head back to the house. I have to work with Ish on this new company that we just started, and then we're gonna head to the gym. All together on the day, as you guys can see right here, made a total of $7,059.59. To put into perspective of how many orders that took, it was 27 orders, 70 fills. And for those that are not familiar with how much it is that I pay per trade, you guys can see this. I got my overall commission reduced to $3. Just you know, simply call TD Ameritrade and you can negotiate. But this is actually something that you can do with any brokerage. You know, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. You could always call and negotiate your commission. And the more that you use your account, the more leverage in a sense that you would have. But yeah, altogether, I wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update, not so much on the trading aspect. 7%, which is essentially what this is not my normal trading day whatsoever. I had a really bad week last week trading. I had one of my biggest losses, or my biggest loss ever trading in the stock market. Lost 4.2K, and last week itself, I started off very strong. I made nearly 2.3K on Monday, about 1.5K on Tuesday, and then gave back 4.2K on Wednesday. Had another red day, very small, like $300-400 on Thursday, and then didn't do too well. I mean, did well on Friday, but not as well as it should have, and I made like 1.1K. So altogether, I barely ended last week in the green, and I'm just really happy to at least like, you know, start this week on a green note. So very, very thankful, very blessed. I aim anywhere from around 1.5 to 2% on a daily basis. Again, I've been doing this for years. I have over, you know, $25,000 in my account, so there's no PDT rule. And again, over time, you can worry about scaling, but as of, you know, if you're someone that's just getting started, I would have a much larger focus in just learning how to trade and practice all these different working systems until they work for you. So one of the things that I wanted to talk about very quickly is you guys saw that I went to my bank and I funded a $280,000 hard money loan for Lenny. Lenny's a real estate agent, not only agent, but real estate investor as well. He buys, remodels, and flips home. Flipping homes are something that I really want to get into. So what I decided to do was, just like I did a couple months ago, I funded the hard money loan, which means that I put up $280,000 of my money for Lenny, right? And then I get 12% back. But on top of that, I pretty much get to shadow him. I want to learn exactly like, not exactly, but I want to learn how he solves certain problems as he encounters them when it comes down to flipping a house. So I made a video on Saturday going into a little bit more detail about this. The next series of videos, not just on this channel, but the next series of videos that I make down, you know, for the next 3 or 4 months, as that's the time expected for this overall project to take. I'm gonna be making progress videos for this specific flip that Lenny's going to be doing, and that I'm so thankful to be a part of. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to drop any comments down in the comment section. I do want to remind you that if you're someone that's just getting started and you're a complete beginner, a great way is to either, watch a couple of videos on YouTube and practice what it is that you learn. You can start with paper trading, and there's so many amazing platforms out there that can offer you that. But on top of that, I think that we could all agree that the hardest part is always getting started. So the third link in the description is our crash course. So this will provide you with the very basics and very general understanding of how to get started in the stock market. It's literally $7. And it's just to get you started off on the right foot. Once you're ready to fully dive in, that's the Learn, Plan, Profit lesson library. That's where you get to work with me on a closer basis. You get to watch me trade live every single day. And you heard me talk about them in this video. And it's the only group that I work with and assist on a daily basis. So if you like my videos and you like the way that I break things down and you like my style of trading, then I'd love to work with you on a closer basis. And you guys can check out Learn, Plan, Profit and all it has to offer with that second link in the description. Again, don't forget to join our free Facebook group. That's that first link down below. Hope I earned a thumbs up. Hope you guys can subscribe. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.